Okay, welcome to our Canyon View Credit Union Mortgage webinar. My name is James Hanson. I'm the marketing manager here, and I'm with our mortgage team today. Before we get started, just a reminder that you can ask us any questions. Just go into your GoToWebinar tab there, and you can ask a question, and the team will answer them. And with that, we'll just get started.
Hi everybody, my name is Allison Mangum. I am the newest mortgage consultant with Canyon View Credit Union. I am here with Miss Vicki and our sales manager Marky, and we're so excited to teach you guys about our construction products.
Hi, I'm Vicki Buckley. I've been with the credit union for almost 4 years, but I've been doing this since 2015, and I love making people's dreams come true. Yeah. Oh, wow.
All right. Yeah, so then slide good.
So what is a construction loan? A construction loan is a short-term loan used to finance the build of a new home or to remodel or renovate an existing home using the future value of the home. If you already own a home, a lot of people, HELOC is the best way, or isn't it? The reason that HELOC is not always the best animal for that to be used is because we can actually follow along with what you're doing on that construction loan, and you know that whatever they're paying and billing out to fix is getting done and getting paid. So it's not just going in their pocket. And so you can ensure that at the end of it, you have a finished house and not somebody else having a brand new car or something like that. So that's where the construction can be sometimes the best fit for you in that scenario.
All right, so the types of construction loans that we offer here at Canyon View are our 2-time and our 1-time close options. Our 2 times close is where you close on the construction loan now, and then you will reclose on the long-term refinance later at a current market rate, so after the loan is completed or the home is built. And then the 1-time close sounds exactly what its name is you lock your long-term refinance at the same time as your construction loan and you close 1 time. So then that way you only have to pay closing costs once versus 2 times. Some fun facts about our 2-time that we didn't go over are it's available for any construction loan, and then our 1-time close is up for conforming limits only. So.
Do I need a contractor to obtain a construction loan? Yes, you need an approved contractor, but if you are professionally licensed personally, we could look at into structuring the loan as an owner builder.
All right, so what does it take to get my builder approved? So your builder will need to submit documentation to verify the stability of their business, their financial well-being, and other legal items such as workman's comp, business insurance, things like that. We will work with your builder personally to obtain the documents needed to approve them. So if they're worried about getting you, the borrower, their tax returns, you don't need to worry about it. We will just handle it for you. We do this to protect you as our borrower, to make sure that the builder has a proven track record to finish the project they start, they're trustworthy, and they're not just pocketing the funds you give them.
Pros of construction: low rates and payments during the course of construction. Canyon View will vet the builder, and we require inspections of the project to make sure the draws are going to the intended line items. Payments are interest only and only on what's been drawn against it. We do vet the builder, and we require the inspections to make sure they're drawn. And funds are going towards the correct line items. That adds a layer of peace of mind for you. Able to use future value of the home for qualifying? Yes, you can. Great for the bigger remodels and renos.
And then some fun facts about our construction loans. Our terms are 6 months, 9 months, and 12 months. We can go longer, but this is examined on a case-by-case basis, and additional fees may apply. And then we use the future value of your home for the loan. And so we will provide your plans as well as your budget to the appraiser. and that's how they will calculate the total value. Our construction loans are only for primary residences and secondary homes only that are owner occupied.
Okay, do's and don'ts. Do check in with the mortgage consultant before making any changes. Keep in touch with your builder during construction process. Contact us with any questions. Don't incur new debt or increase existing debt during the construction. Change jobs, deviate from the plans and costs that were submitted for approval.
And then the loan process begins with application. You can submit this online, or you can schedule a time to meet up with any of us mortgage consultants in a local branch, and we can get this completed in person. The second step is to gather supporting documents from you as the client, as well as your builder. We will look at your financials, insurance, contracts, budgets, everything that'll go along with the project. One important thing to keep in mind when you are gathering the documentation and negotiating a contract with your builder is to ask who will be responsible for any extension fees that happen if the deadline is not met with the construction loan. The next step of the process is the appraisal and title. Once we receive all the documentation from you and your builder, we will order title work as well as the appraisal. Like Ms. Vicki said, the appraisal, we will use your budget and plans to determine the future value for a new build, remodel, everything that goes along with the construction loan. As Ms. Vicki said, do not deviate from these as your value is based upon these items. If you change these, just let us know and we can get the appraisal updated. From there, we will go to underwriting. Underwriting will give us the final approval, and then we will get you closed with the title company and we'll fund your loan. The building term will begin the day of funding, not the day of the first draw. So don't sit on your loan for a couple months. You want to get going the second we close.
Member testimonial. Working with Vicki Buckley was an absolute pleasure. From the beginning, her expertise and dedication made the entire process smooth and stress-free. We first purchased a lot, and with Vicki's guidance, we successfully paid it off, setting a strong foundation for our next step. When it came to build, we took on the role of both builder and buyer, and Vicki ensured us we had the best financial solutions to support every stage. One of the standout aspects of this experience was working with Canyon View Credit Union. Their competitive interest rate and flexible loan options provided us with financial confidence throughout the process. Additionally, the Built program made tracking process and managing draw requests incredibly easy, allowing us to stay on top of every stage of construction with real-time visibility. Vicki's expertise combined with the efficiency of Built and the strong financial offerings of the Canyon View Credit Union made the experience truly seamless. We couldn't have asked for a better consultant to help us achieve our homeownership and building goals. Thank you, Vicki, for making it possible with Jared and Addie Ratkisons. One of the big things with these guys are they are their own builder, and they built several homes, and so they've gone through the process with several different financial institutions. And I thought this was a good way to show how we look overall as a credit union, and that we can hold up to the big guys as well, because we make the process smooth and as easy as possible for you guys, and to ensure that you get the home of your dreams at the end.
Awesome. And then some common questions that we get when we discuss construction loans are, can I pay for budgeted items out of pocket? The answer is yes. You will just need to provide the paper trail, the invoices, things like that to prove that you paid for it. The second question we get is, can we build on a term longer than 12 months? Yes, we can. It is examined case-by-case basis, and additional fees may apply, so keep that in mind. And then the final big question we ask, or that we get asked, is, can we bundle a construction loan and a lot purchase together? The answer is yes. If you would like to go down that route, just give us a call. We'd be more than happy to get you pre-approved for the lot and construction loan together. That way, you know what you can get into. And then, are there any questions from any of our viewers today?
Yeah, if you guys want to enter those, that's great. But we have the contact information here for Allison and Vicki. You can reach out obviously anytime, and they're happy to answer that. We're also going to send this as a video to everyone. So everyone who registered for the webinar will get this as a video. We'll send that afterwards. So it doesn't look like we've had any questions come in. So if you have any questions, make sure and reach out to Allison and Vicki, and they can absolutely help you out.
Thank you.
Thank
All right,
you.
thanks everyone.